How do I control the degrees on this thing? I just try it out until I make it work. It's a lot more stuff to think about, and it's just a whole new world.
We are Ida and Tobias, and we love adventures. Those adventures usually include a pair of hiking boots, a couple of bikes, and maybe a pair of skis. And now we have just bought ourselves a van, and we are converting this van into the ultimate adventure camper van.
Hi YouTube! Welcome to our van build. This is the first day.
So now we are going to strip the van, and yeah, so join in on that and see what that will lead us.
Yes. Right, let's get to it.
Not sure where to start. Maybe you should remove the bulkhead or the roof, or maybe start with the floor. So it's coming off quite nicely, but I think we need to remove this before we can take it all off. We really have some work cut out for us.
Now we have removed all these little things that was here, so we're gonna rip this one off. On the other side we already ripped it off. As you can see, we have some speakers in the back, so we need to take care of those. We're gonna remove this one, and then we have one board left, and then we can rip up the floor. And yeah, and then this is done, and then we need to take out the roof.
Almost. A little more. There you have it.
Hi.
Yes!
Yes!
Oop.
Good thing it's a GoPro. Got it!
And we are out.
Should I just tear this out?
Yeah.
So this sort of sucks because when we bought this van, we were told by the Ford dealers when we got it that it had like original places to put the seats, and we need those in order to get the car registered for 4 people. But when we ripped up the 4, we now see that it doesn't have original seat places for the seats. So that's a huge bummer. So now we need to figure out what to do. We can always put them back in, but it's probably quite expensive. So I guess we just have to call the Ford guy and talk to him again.
Okay, so now we are ready to take down the ceiling. The ceiling is really nice, and it also has some lights in it, but we have decided to tear it down to get some more space and some insulation. So now we have to try to take this one's plastic thingies out and see if we can take it down in one piece. So maybe we could sell it or give it away to somebody that needs a roof or a ceiling. So I'm plugging the light.
Yay! And there's light up there.
From this one.
Ta! It's out. One handle if anyone wants one. So this screw is completely stuck.
I think they have put it in, not the manufacturer, it's done afterwards. So it's really stuck, and we don't have the right tools either, so it's a fight.
It's probably screwed right into the metal. Yeah!
Nice job!
Yes!
Oh, it's getting dark. But we are almost done for today, I believe.
Yes, we're just gonna clean it up. And then I think we're gonna head home. Today our mission number 1 is to get all these tiny things off. They're kind of taped to the floor. So we got this label off. So hopefully we can get the glue off with this one. We also bought a heat gun for that purpose. How do I control the degrees on this thing? Do I control the degrees? I just try it out until I make it work. So, I have no clue what I'm doing.
Peel it off.
At least I think it's getting softer because, yeah, it was rock hard when I started, and now it's a lot softer.
Yesterday we bought a little heater. How is it going?
It's going slow. It's a lot more stuff to think about than we knew, and it's just a whole new world. So trying to find stuff is just so hard. But I think we found something here, something we can use. My new favorite tool, the heat gun, apparently it does not do the trick. So I'm gonna try this one. It's called Label Off. Apparently it moves like stickers and stuff. Glue. So let's give it a shot. It's supposed to work for a couple of minutes and then you're supposed to just pull it off. Let's try. Shake, shake, shake.
Our van is mostly rust free, but here in the back we have some spots. So I think that's something I will try to fix before we cover up the floor. So unscrew this one and give this a little bit some love.
TLC. TLC.
Done with the scrubbing, and now it's time for apply this stuff. It's called a rust eater. Really don't know how it works, but it's supposed to eat up the rust. So it isn't that bad, but I think it's good to do it properly. It's good to do it properly because when we have insulated the van, there's no way that we're going to access this again.
Yeah.
So here you can see it's just a little bit rust, small pieces. I have to try to remove it, but it's stuck. But I think it's mostly on the surface, so it looks good. And here are also some scratches, so we're going to apply some zinc coat on that so it will not rust. How goes it for the
Sticker remover?
sticker remover?
Well, these things, they stick really well, but I have figured out a strategy. I'm spraying some stuff to label off the glue remover on them, and then I'm just stabbing them from the side, ripping them off the floor. That's how I'm doing it. I don't know if there's a better way, but that's my way.
We really hope you liked this video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want more of this kind of content, subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it, and it would help us a lot. See you soon!